Here's an easy protein recipe that makes several portions. This lean roast beef, creamy turnip mash, and rich gravy make balanced but low-calorie dinners perfect for weight loss. Pat the roast beef dry and then season really well with salt and pepper. Heat the oil and brown the roast on all sides. Protein is the foundation of every Smart Servings meal. Now add in your sliced onion and saute for 2 or 3 minutes until the onion is soft. Add a little extra water if your pan is too dry. Stir in your garlic, then your tomato paste and herbs. This meal may be low in calories, but it's high in flavor and satisfaction. Healthy eating doesn't have to be bland. Spread the onion mixture into the crock pot and then place the seasoned roast on top. Pour in the liquid and surround the roast with your cut veg. Cover and cook on low for 8 to 9 hours. Skim off the fat and uncover your low-calorie broth. Slice up your meat and let's get started on the gravy. Bring your broth to a gentle boil, then whisk in the package of gravy mix. It only adds a few calories but turns this into a rich, flavorful gravy that pulls the whole meal together. Finish it off by mashing up the vegetables. A balanced Smart Servings meal, high protein, low stress, and full of flavor.